Hi children, hope you all are safe and sound. Surgeon here. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you about angles that you will get in page number 53. And this chapter, you need 5 angles. I'm going to cover these 4 subtopics. Number 1, leveling and estimating angles. 2, drawing and measuring angles. 3, calculating angles. And 4, solving angles problems. Is that okay? So, I have solved many questions in my PPT, and the questions that I left, that's all the questions I'm going to solve here, and the questions which I'm not solving over here, please check the PPT go through, you will get there. Okay? So today here, page number 55, question number 4. I'm going to solve question number 4. Question 1, 2, 3 you will get to see in PPT. Is that okay? Okay. So these questions I'm going to solve you. Question is here. What is angles? Everything explanation is given in the PPT. Please go through. Okay? This question says angles ABC is a right angle. And now you know what is right angle. Go through the PPT, you will get to know. Right angle means angle having exactly 90 degree. Is that okay? And just say ABC is a right angle. You just look the diagram. They have not given any measurement of any angles. When you look this diagram, how many angles can you find out? You see that? 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles you can see here clearly. Is that okay? So here it says angle ABC is a right angle. So let me draw ABC. I have just drawn from this diagram ABC. You see that? And it says ABC is a right angle. That means angle this ABC is 90 degree. So can I do this? Say 90 degree. All this ABC is 90 degree. Okay. See. Angle ABC is 90 degree. Now you know that ABC is 90 degree. Now next part of your question says angle ABD and DBC are equal. Yeah, they are same. Just have a look. ABD and DBC are equal. That means ABD. Let me first find where is ABD. ABD. They are talking about these angles. Okay? And next is DBC. DBC. They are talking about this angle. And according to these questions, this angle and these angles are same. You see that? Are equal. That is what do you understand? How much this angle and this angle measure? When you look this, ABC is 90 degree. Then can you see that from B, one line passes through from B to D. If all this is 90, then what will be this and this? If all this angle is 90 degree, then this angle and these angles are same. That means what will be this two? Half of 90 is 45. Obviously this will be 45, 45. And ABC become 90. You got my points. If ABC is 100 degree, obviously this will become 50 degree, 50 degree. Because they are equal. You got my points? If for example ABC is 60 degree, then this will become 30 degree, 30 degree. You got my points? If example, again one more example, ABC is 20 degree, then this will become 10 degree, 10 degree. Okay? But here ABC is 90 degree, then this will become 45 degree, 45 degree. You got my point? So this angle will become 45 degree, and this angle will become 45 degree. Same or not? It already says ABD and DBC are equal. Yeah, they are equal. You just have a look. 45, 45, equal. And when you add up all this, 45 plus 45, you will get ABC. And ABC, you will get 45 plus 45 is 90. That means ABC is 90. That means ABC is right angle. Look here, ABC is the right angle. Is that clear? Well, now we have to solve these 4 questions. This is find the size of, size means measure, okay? What degree it is. Find the size of angle ABD. I'm going to solve A. Solution. Now what A says, angle ABD. Angle ABD. It is very nice if you find out where is ABD and draw that part of it. I'm going to search where is ABD. AB, straight line. I got my A and B. Now I have to get D. D is from B passes till here, right? So exactly you copy from there, you will get like that. Is that okay? Now when you look A, B, D, what angle it is, we have already sorted out. It is 45 degree. You can write here 45 degree. You got it. Angle ABD is equals to 45 degree. That's your answer. B. Let's go B. Reflex angle. Reflex angle ABD. Reflex angle, you know what is reflex angle, right? Reflex angle is more than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Between 180 degree to 360 degree, all are reflex angle. That means 181 degree reflex angles, 200, it's also reflex, 256 reflex, 330 reflex, okay? Like reflex angle means just in this, greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. That means between 180 and 360 degree, all the angles are known as reflex angle. Okay? So how to solve? Now you know what is reflex angle, right? Between 180 to 360, they are reflex angle. Now how to solve? Okay. That's all you do. Find the reflex angle of ABC. Now first your duty is to find the reflex angle of ABC. Draw ABC. Sorry, ABD. I wrote reflex angle ABD. Now I'll find out where is ABD. ABD. Same this one. You just look ABD. You got it? I'll draw one more time. Do you agree? A, B, D. I have 45. This is my ABD. ABD. Now I have to find the reflex of ABD. Reflex means more than 180 degree. That means these are reflex. Is that okay? So how to find reflex angle? You first find what is the measure of or size of ABD. ABD is 45 degree. That you need to subtract from 360 degree. You got reflex angle. Is that okay? So 360 degree minus this 45. You got the reflex angle. Subtract that. 360 degree minus 45 is, here we get 5, here we get 1, here 3. 315. You've got 315 degree. This is your reflex angle ABD. You got my point. If there is 60 degree, your reflex will be 360 minus 60. if there is 100 degree, your reflex of this angle will be 360 minus 100. But here we have 45 degree, so our reflex of this angle is 360 minus 45. That is the one. Is that okay? Now you know how to find reflex, okay? Can you see the same? Reflex. This I will keep for you to try. If you understand B, you will do this one. Okay? Now, CBD. Same. Just all you need to do is 360 minus ABG, you got the answer. 360 minus CBD, you got the answer like this. 360 minus ABC. I did. 360 minus ABD. ABD is 45. Just have a look. ABD is 45. So 360 minus ABD is 45. So 360 minus 45 is 315. That is my reflex. One more time, you remember. 360 minus ABC. Find out ABC, measure of like size of ABC. And right here. 360 minus that size is your reflex. 360 minus ABD size is your reflex. 360 minus CBD size is your reflex. Like this, okay? I'll give this for you to try. Well, I would like to solve question number 5. Okay? Well, children, now let's go to question number 5. Please check your question. It says, every angle in each of the triangles in this diagram is 60 degree. One more time, I'll repeat. Every angle in each of this triangle, look at the triangle, so many triangles are here, is 60 degree. What do you understand? 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. You got my point? So, find the size of these angles, A, B, C. This is find A, B, C. Solution. Okay. Now you understood, according to question, it says that every angle in each of this triangle is 60 degree. You got my points, right? 60 degree, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. That means they are equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 60, right? 60, 60, 60. Right? So we're going to find angle ABC. Look at the diagram and search where is ABC. When I look at this diagram, I see that ABC is here. Is that okay? Now, I'll draw that. AB, you see that? A, B, now C is here. C. Understood? I just copy from there on, okay? To make easier. AB, this is the one. BC, this is the one, right? Now, as question already told you that all angles are 60, 60, 60. Now just look, ABC, which is in the middle, B. They are actually talking about this angle, B. Not A, not C. How we know that? When any letter in the middle, it means this angle is being asked to find, not A, not C. So ABC, we know that this question is talking about this angle B. Now, when you look at the diagram, what will be B? Many students think that B is 60 degree because just now sir told that all the angles are 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. So B also 60. That means this B will be 60. Wrong, children. Look at it. You see one line crossing here straight like that. That line I'm going to draw. What do you understand? Okay. You know that each angle of a triangle measures 60 degrees. Yes. You see it here. 60, 60, 60, right? Agree? Now, also 60, 60, 60. You see that angle B got to 60. Here one, here one. See. Now the measure of angle ABC will be angle ABC is 60 plus 60, 120. This is your answer. Got it? Don't get confused. Your question says each triangle measures 60 degrees. Each triangle have three angles, right? So each angle of a triangle measure 60 degrees. See, first you fill up the diagram in this way, 60, 60, 60, 60 everywhere. Everywhere you can fill up to avoid the confuse, like that. Yeah. Now look at your question, ABC, draw ABC. When I look the question, ABC comes in this way, right? And again when I look the diagram, from B, one line cross, right? Now again when I look at the diagram, you can see here 60, that side 60. I just copy from there, okay? Now when we are searching A, B, C, we have to look all this. B is all this. That means 60 plus 60. This is B. Oh, 60 plus 60. 120. That's it. I'm sure you can try the rest. AMC first. Now your next question is angle AMC. Find out where is AMC from this diagram. Just give you a hint. A is here, M is here, something like that. A, M, and C is here. Okay? Now AMC, again one line cross here. You see that? And 60, 60 is here. M is in the middle. They are talking about angle M. So angle M will be 60 plus 60, 120. This is also 120. But it is not necessary that in all the questions you will get 120. Is that okay? There is some changes also. It depends on the question. You read the question carefully. You draw out the diagram in part by part. You can solve. You try the rest. C, D, E by yourself. Is that okay? Well, children. Okay. The left questions from 5.1 will get to see in your PPT, and 5.2 everything I have done in my PPT, please go through. It's very simple. Now I would like to go directly to 5.3. Here you please go to 5.3, question number 1. Okay. Before we start 5.3, I would like to give you some basic idea which you need to know. Okay. For example, like any angle, like say any angle like A, B, C. If it is not 90 degree, they will just indicate by in this curved line. It can be like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. If it is not 90 degree. Am I making you clear? So you might be wondering when will we get this? This will get when the angles are something like this. See, this will come now. Right? All these are possible in any angles when they are not 90 degree. But when the angle is exactly 90 degree, they are not going to show with the curve. Okay? So example like this is 90 degree. They will never show like this. Remember. You will get to see something like this. Okay. So when it is 90 degree, you will get to see in angle will indicate by like this line or like this. Am I right? Or like this or like this, whatever, but not curve. If it is 90 degree, you will get to see like this. And when you see like this, be very sure that it is 90 degree. And when you see like this, you will know that it is not 90 degree. It might be less than 90 or it might be more than 90 degree. Is that okay? Now, okay, that is one small basic thing. Some students might get confused, so I cleared out that. And now let us learn three important things, which these things will really helps you in 5.3 or in your geometry chapter also, okay? Like, you know, straight line, right? This is a straight line. A straight line has 180 degree. Okay, you take out your protector. Okay, you take out your protector and you just check the protector. Here you will see one line. This is called base line. And when you check the angle of this line, it's 180 degree in either side. Got it? That means this straight line has 180 degrees. Straight angle is 180 degree. So this is 180 degree. Okay? No matter how angle form on a straight line, it's just 180 degree. Now, if I pass one line from here, I got two angles. If I add up these two angles, I'll get 180 degree angle. What about this? Now I got 1, 2, 3 angles. Don't worry, if you add up this angle, you will just get 180 degree because they are on the straight line. Is that okay? Like the angles on a straight lines always add up to 180 degree. That's it. Let it be like this. Let there be so many angles on a straight line. Don't worry, if you add up all these, you will end up by getting 180 only. You will get just 180, not less, not more. Okay? So, on a straight line, the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Keep this in your mind. Now you understood on a straight line problems. Now let's go to quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means you know, right? This board is quadrilateral. How did I know? There's four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A four-side shape or figure is known as quadrilateral. Okay. Now what happened? Quadrilateral has any angle? Of course. I will just draw quadrilateral. That means any four shape. One shape, two shape, three. I mean four side. Okay. See, four side. One side, two side, three side, four side. It's a quadrilateral. What about rectangle? Which you all know, like your instrument box, geometry box. It's a quadrilateral. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4 side. Square quadrilateral. Is that okay? Now, is they have any angles? Yes, of course. See, can you see here? Angles. How many angles we have in quadrilateral? 4. Okay. So what happened when we add up all these 4 angles of any quadrilateral? You get 360. Remember this. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Angles of quadrilaterals, all the angles of quadrilaterals end up with 360 degree. Okay. If you add all the angles of quadrilateral, you will get 360, not more, not less. Is that okay? Rectangle. If you add up this, you will get 360. Okay. Now when you come up to this, is it a quadrilateral? No. It is just a three side. 1, 2, 3. It's a polygon, right? Now what happened when we now it have a specific name, right? Triangle. When we add up these 3 angles of a triangle, what will we get? 180 degree. Always. Let the triangle be so small, or let the triangle be bigger than your room. If you add up the 3 angles, you will just get 180. Okay? So when you add any angles of a triangle, you just get 180 degree. And what about for side shape? That is quadrilateral. If you add this, you will get 360. This, you will get 360. And straight angle. Angles on a straight line, when you add up, you will get 180. Same. Okay? Just keep this in your mind. And last point, round a point means round, full circle. It's also 360 degree, round a point. Okay? Just catch this for timing. As angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Quadrilaterals angles, when you add up any quadrilaterals angles, 4 angles, you will get 360 degree. Triangle, you know, 3 angles, if you add up, you will get 180. And angles on a point is 360 degree. Okay, children, let's go question number 1. I'll draw the diagram. Question number 1. What is this? Straight line. Now, I'm drawing your diagram, okay? Angles formed on a straight line now. 2 angles formed on a straight line. 1, 2, right? We have learned just now. And one is 160 A. 160 A degree. Yeah. They said, calculate the size of the lateral angles. Lettered angles means letter, alphabet. You have to find A. Okay? Now, just now I told you, in a straight line, let it be 2 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles, 100 angles. But when you add up all the angles on a straight line, you will get 180 degree. Let's do solution. If I add 160, let's come from this side. Any side, okay? Don't matter. I can first add, I can take this number also, this number also. It's up to you. I just want to take A because I'm searching A. If I add A degree plus 116 degree, what will I get? If I add this plus this, what will I get? One more time. If I add this angle and this angle, what will I get? 180 degree, right? Because they are on a straight line. If I add these two, I will get 180 degree. You agree with this number statement? I'm sure now there is no confusion, right? Just now I told you if you plus this and this, you will get 180. Always. I'm doing that. This plus this means A plus 116. I did it. A plus 116. I will get 180. Always. How this happen? Small reason you give on the right side, like in one bracket. These rules is angles on a straight line. That's it. Angles on a straight line. Okay. Whatever happened here, statement, please try to give some reason there. Now this happened because they are on the straight line. So angles on a straight line. Okay. Sometimes you might get quadrilateral one. Now there is no quadrilateral. We are dealing with straight line only. And the general rules of this is angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degree. Now, as we are asked to find A, we are searching A. So A, all right, since I'm searching A is done, right? I'll just ignore this for some time. Equals to 180 degree. Equals to 180 degree. You see that? A equals 180 degree. Now, plus 160 is on the left hand side. Now what is left hand side and right hand side? I guess you have learned in your previous classes, right? This you will come to know by the equal sign. Okay? You stand in front of the equal, something like this. Now this side is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. This is your body, so this will be your right hand side and this will be your left hand side. Okay? This happens only when there is equal sign. When there is plus sign, minus sign, divide, multiply sign, this will not take place. Remember, okay? When there is equal sign, all the numbers or whatever are there on that side are on the right hand side. It means. And whatever are this side are on the left hand side. Please keep this in mind. So when you look here, 180 is on the right hand side and 116 is on the left hand side. By the equal I come to know, right? All these are left hand side and all these are right hand side. Now there is one rule. Whatever is there on the left hand side, I can take to the right hand side. I can take. And whatever are there on the right hand side, I can bring to the left hand side also. I can just take or I can bring also. But something happens when we do that. What happens? Nothing will change. Only sign will change. Very simple. Okay? Only sign will change. How? Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. That's it. Side change, sign change. Keep this in mind. Side change, sign change. Let's do that now. If I have minus here, if I want to take to the right hand side, minus will become plus. That's it. If this is plus, I want to take to the right hand side. Now plus will become minus. That's it. And if this minus I want to bring, it will become plus. If plus I want to bring, it will become minus. Same case. Just remember this. Side change, sign change. I'll do that. Equal is here. That means plus 116 is on my left hand side. Now I want to take to the right hand side. What will happen? Side change. I'm going to change the side. Left hand side, I'm going to take to the right hand side. Sign change now. Side change means sign change. Plus 116 will become minus 116 degree. That's it. See now, 116 is on the right hand side. Equal is here. When equal is here, these all are right hand side and these are left hand side. See? You got my point? And equal is here. It was on the left hand side. Now this went to the right hand side. Nothing changed. 116 is still there, 116. Only sign change. Plus 116 become minus 116. That's it. Simple, right? Why I'm doing like that? I'm searching A. So I don't want anything out here. I want to take everything on my right hand side. Then only I will get A, right? I'm doing that. Now, A. 180 minus 160. That's your answer. So simple. 180 minus 116. Let's do it. 180 minus 116. Here 1, this will become 10 and here 7. Remember, 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to show. 64. Wow. A, you got 64. That is your required answer. Your question asks you, calculate the size of lettered angle. You can just conclude in this way. Thus, the size of A is 64 degree. That is your answer. Now you got 64 answer in your exam. can check inside your examination hall. How? Now you are not so sure that 64 is correct or not. My answer 64 is correct or not. Go to the rough column side very quickly. A, you got 64, right? A, you got 64. Can I do that? Yes. A, we got 64. And what did I told you? It's on a straight line. When you add up this and this, you will get 180 degree. Not less, not more. So let's add up and check. If I get 180 degree, yes, my answer is correct. If I don't get 180 degree, I have done somewhere mistake. Silly mistake, calculation mistake. So I have to go and check again. Where did I did mistake? Is that okay? Let's check out. 116 plus 64. 116 plus 64. Why plus? Because on a straight line, if we add up the angles on a straight line, we always get 180 degree. Let's see, we'll get or not. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 in hand. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 will come down. Yes, we got it, 180 degree. That means your answer is correct. You're going to get full mark now. You can do like this. You can check. Okay? You understand this now? Any angles on a straight line add up to get 180 degree. Okay? Well, children, BC you try by yourself, and this I'll do for you. It's nothing. You just have a look. Straight line. How many angles form? 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle form. So when you add up this, you will get 180 degree. You know that. And you have to find D here. Letter D. Now, how to solve this? Here you know it's just a D. Here 34. Here nothing is given, but something is there. What is that? Anybody has any idea? I have explained you. It's 90 is there, 90. How did you know? See the angles indicated. I told you no? When it is like this, or like this, or even like this, or like this, straight, 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 they are 90 degree. If they are not straight, curve, curve. They are not 90 degree. You see that? They are curved. It's 34, that's why. But when you see that it's not curved, straight, straight, they are 90 degree. So you know that this is surely it is 90 degree. Got it? They're just making this sign to give you some confuse. But do not get confused, right? Well, work it out. D degree plus 90 degree plus 34 degree. What will I get? If I plus this plus this plus this, what will I get? 180 degree. I will get 180 degree. And the rules is angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. You have to show the rules also, okay? I mean the reason. Okay. We cannot do anything with that D now. But here we can do something. Let's do it. D square, D degree plus, can you see here 90 plus 34? You can work out here, right? 90 plus 34. It says add up 90 and 34 since there is a plus. 0 plus 4, 4. 9 plus 3, 12. If you add up this and this, you will get 124. 90 plus 34 is 124. Now till here I have done. Next what is there? Is equal 180. Is equal 180. It is not necessary to write degree and go on while you're doing calculation. If you write also well and good, if you don't write, there's no mark deduction. But at the end of your answer, don't forget to show this degree or not, or any kind of units you need to show at the end of the answer. Okay. Sign change going to happen here. The degree, this I wrote. Since I'm searching D, I don't want anything to stay on this side. Whatever is there, I'll throw that side. Since 180 is on the right hand side already, but 124 is on the left hand side, I'm going to take there. Plus 124 will become minus 124. Do you agree? D equals 180 minus 124 is, do it, 180 minus 124 is 6 minus 4, 10 minus 4, 6, 5, right? What you got? 56 degree. Wow. D you got 56 degree. There is 56 now. Now you are not so sure that my answer 56 is correct or not. Go to the rough column very quickly. D you got what? D you got 56. I told you when you add up this, you will get 180 degree exactly, right? So let's do it. 56 plus 90 plus 34. If I get 180 degree, my answer is correct. If I don't get 180 degree, I have done somewhere mistake. Check in that way. 6 plus 4, 10, 1 in hand. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow! If you get like this, your answer is correct. There is no mistake. Can you do now? The rest. So simple. Okay. You try the rest by yourself, and whenever you see like this sign, make sure it is 90 degree, okay? Yeah, question number 2. One I will show you, the rest I'm sure you can try. Well children, this is your diagram. You please check your questions. It's like that. This is question number 2. First one I am solving for you, I mean. Okay. Do you see here any straight line? No. There is no straight line. No angles are formed on a straight line since there is no straight line, okay? So what's happening here now? Now straight line rules will not come here. You cannot just say, if I add this, I will get 180 degree. No, that works only on a straight line. But here there is no straight line. Is that okay? So what's happening here? This 130 degree, this is a degree, and this is 120 degree. What do you observe? You see that the round circle, that means they are angles at a point. Okay? Now here, now you know that this is not straight line. It comes round, angle around a point. Now how to work that one? I taught you before I start. I gave you 3 important things, right? Angle on a straight line, angles around a point, and angles of quadrature. Okay? Now here what they ask you to find? Same, letter size. When I add this, what will I get? 180? Now, what will I get? 360 degree. You rewind the video and watch. Before I start, I already explained you. So, they asked us to find A. A plus 120 plus 130. I will get 360 degree, not 180. And how this happened? reason angles round a point. Angles round a point. Okay? Angles on a straight line is not working here. Angles round a point is 360. The circle, a complete circle has 360, right? Okay. We have something to do here. So A you write plus 120 plus 130 is 250. You do it. You are a smart student. 250 equals to 360. This is my right hand side. These all are my left hand side. Since I am searching A, I don't want anything to be here. Equals to 360. Plus 250 is on my left hand side. Now I want to take to the right hand side. Side change, sign change. Plus 250 will become minus 250. Why? Because it was on the left hand side, I took on the right hand side. I changed the side. So nothing will change, only sign will change. I told you, right? A 360 minus 250 to here. 360 minus 250, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 2, 1. You got 110 degree. A you got 110 degree. Now you are not so sure whether your answer is correct or not. How will you know? Thus, the size of A is 110 degree. Don't forget to calculate. Okay. Okay, A you got 110. Yeah, this A you got 110. Now you are not so sure that you don't 110 is correct or not. What will you do? When you add up this, you will get 360 degree, not 180, because these are not straight line. It's round a point. Round means 360. Let's check out whether I'll get 360 or not. 110, which I got now. 130, 120. Add up, let's see. If I get 360 degrees, correct. If I don't get 360 degree, somewhere I have done mistake. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Your answer 110 is correct. Okay? Similarly, you can try the rest. It's so simple and so easy and so interesting. Okay. Now here, question number 3 I will do for you. Well, children, look at the diagram. This is from question number 3. Okay? Page 59. Here it says, please check your question. The angles in each of these diagrams are all the same size. Well, means we have 3 angles here. 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles. So all of them are same size. If this is 30, this will be also 30, 30. If this is 100, this will be also 100, 100. According to the question. They said all the angles are same size. So what are they? Now what is this? Is it a straight line? No. Round a point. Circle coming out. That means when you add up all these 3 angles, you will get 360 degree. But you don't know what angles is this, and this. So how to find out? It's so simple. 360 is a round, right? 360. You divide 360 by how many angles are there? Count. 1, 2, 3. Divide by 3. That's it. If there are 4 angles, divide by 4. If there are again 5 angles, divide by 5. Here I have only 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to divide by 3. 2, 360 degree. Why 360 degree? Because it is not a straight line. It is round a point, circle. Round a point, angles on a round a point is 360 degree. I told you at the beginning, right? That's why round a point means 360 degree. Have to divide by 1, 2, 3. Since there are only 3 angles. Don't get confused, okay? If there are 10 angles, divide by 10. Okay? Let's do it. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 0, 0. Oh, I got 120. That means this angle is 120 degree. This also 120 degree. This also 120 degree. Wow. It's a round point. So if you add up all these 3, you will get 360 degree. 120 plus 120 plus 120, 360 degree. Yeah? 120 plus 120 plus 120. You see that? That means each angles are measured 120 degree. And they are same. Look, 120, 120, 120. Your question already told you. All the 3 angles are same size. So here, you first do like this, solution. 360 divided by 3, you will get 120. Thus, the size of each angle is 120 degrees. This is your answer. Solution 360. Why 360? Is a round. It's not a straight line. Divide by 3. Why divide by 3? Because we have 3 angles. If you divide this 3, you will get 120. That means the size of each angle, the size of one angle is 120 degrees. That's it. You can try the rest. Because if there is 5 angles, divide by 5. You can try that. Now, I'd like to go question number 4. Read that question number 4. Well, children, question number 4 says, calculate the size of angle ABC in each of these triangles. They ask you to find angle ABC. Angle ABC. So this is question number 4. Solution. Don't think that they are asked you to find angle A. Why should I find? It's already 57. Angle B, yeah, angle B is better. Angle C also 49. Why they are asked to find? Not like that. Angle ABC, which is in the middle. I told you already. Middle is B. That means you are asked to find only B. See, nothing is. You are asked to find that. Okay. So here you can write like this. Here, angle A is 57 degree. Angle B is nothing. That means we are asked to find. Angle C is 49 degree. Okay. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C. What I am doing? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. If I add all the angles of a triangle, this plus this plus this, what will I get? I told you already. 180 degree, right? If I add all these 3 angles of a triangle, I will get 180 degree. Reason? Angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. 2 now. Angle A. Angle A place I can write 57 plus angle B. Nothing is given, so I'll write angle B plus angle C. Angle C place I can write 49. 180 degree. Do you agree? Can I work out here something? 49 plus 57, of course. 49 plus 57. Children, please don't do rough calculation here and there, okay? On your right hand side, you make one line and there you do all the rough calculation, okay? Here I don't want to waste time going up, down, up, and okay? So this is addition. 9 plus 7, 16. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. You got 160. Okay, first B all right here. You can arrange, no problem. This B is here, and when I add this and this, I get 106. This side work is done, this much, equals 180. Since I'm searching angle B, I'll keep angle B this side, and the rest I will take to the right hand side. You know that side change, right? Equals to 180 is still in its own place. Plus 106 I want to take to the right hand side. It will become minus 106. Angle B is equal to 180 minus 106. You subtract, we get 4, 7. You got 74 degree. Hence, angle ABC. Angle ABC is 74 degree. That means this is 74 degree. Again, you are not sure that your answer 74 is correct or not during the examination. Go to the rough column side and remember the properties of a triangle. If you add up all these three angles of a triangle, you will get 180 degree. Let's check out. 57, 49, 74. 9, 10, 13, 17, 0. You see that? Your answer 74 is correct. If you don't get 180, slowly you check. There might be mistake somewhere, or there might be mistake in your calculation. Okay? Can you try the rest? I'm sure you can. Now, question number 5 I would like to show you. Well, children, question number 5. Please look at your question. Calculate the size of angle BCD. You have to search angle BCD. That means C. BCD means they are talking about this. BCD. They are talking about this. Oh, it's outside, not inside the triangle. Inside the triangle we have 50, 60, and here this is inside. But this BCD means C is outside. Okay, C is inside in this case. B, C, A. Now C is inside. You got my point. B, C, A. We are talking about this inside. Now, B, C, D. We are talking about this outside one. B, C, D, outside one. That outside of the adjacent triangle, outside we call it what? Exterior. Exterior means outside. Interior means inside. Here you have one formula. Always remember this formula. Exterior angle is always equals to sum of its interior opposite angles. Sum means you have to add up, you will get some 8. Exterior angle equals to sum of its interior opposite angle. Sum of its interior opposite angle. 2 interior opposite. You better write sum of its 2 interior opposite angles. So exterior angle, you know very well that this BCD is exterior. What about its 2 interior opposite interior angles? This is your exterior angles. Its opposite is 60, 50. These are the opposite interior angles. So when you add up this and this, you will get this. It says sum of its 2 interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Always, okay? When you add up 2 interior opposite angles of an exterior angle, you will get exterior angle. That is the formula, okay? Let's solve and check out. Here, exterior angle is equal to, what is the name of exterior angle? BCD, which we are asked to find. Angle BCD. Interior opposite angles are 60 and 50. 60 degree and 50 degree. You find out these two and keep, so that when you are going to use this formula, it will be so helpful to you, because you have already find out all exterior and all interior already. Okay. Now see. Now you have to find exterior angle, so use the formula now, or we know that. Anything you can write? Formula. Exterior angles is equals to sum of its interior opposite angles. Formula by heart this, or you can write the formula, all the important formula you write down, you color it nicely and pass on the wall. Okay. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. This is the formula. Now, exterior angle. See, exterior angle you have already took. In the place of exterior angle, I can write this. Angle BCD. Done. Next, equal sign. Next, sum. Sum means the answer that you get after adding more than 2. More than 1, I mean. Okay? If you add any number, the answer that you get is called sum. Only in addition. Okay? If you subtract 2 numbers, the answer that you get after subtracting 2 numbers, that answer is called difference. But when you add up and get the answer, that is called sum. So when you see sum in the question, they are talking about the addition, the arithmetic operations is addition. Sum, that means I have to add. I have to add what? It's 2 opposite angles. It's interior opposite angles, 50 and 60. You see that? Nothing to do here, just bring down, equals 60 plus 50 is, wow, BCD. You are asked to find BCD, you got BCD. Angle BCD is 110 degree. So simple, right? So when you add up these two, whatever answer comes, that is exterior angle. Can you try the rest? I'm sure you can. Please try. Well, children, whatever I have done is the leftover question, and the remaining all you will get to see in your PPT. I have explained everything, and some question I also kept for you to try. Okay, so please go through. It's very interesting chapter. Okay, take out, bring your instrument box, strap your pencil, and all the diagram. You take your ruler and make very neat and clean on your notebook. Okay, please do not make your diagram by just without using your ruler. Okay, after writing all your notes, you have to click and send me. And if I see any diagrams which is not used ruler, or you have not maintained any rough column, you can maintain one rough column, give space like that, and all the rough calculation you do that side. Okay, if I find any students doing rough calculation here and there, I will let you write again from the beginning. Interesting. So those who maintain rough column properly and those who are using ruler and making so neat and clean, I'll give a gift. Sure. Okay. So thank you, children. Until I come with another new interesting topic, stay home and stay safe.